Hey there, sneakerheads! Welcome back to FUNKYLACE, your #1 stop for all things sneakers. I'm your host, your tour guide through the rich and fascinating world of kicks. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on a drop of sneaker knowledge. Today, we're lacing up and diving deep into the iconic Air Jordan 4. Strap up and let's get started. In 1989, the legendary Air Jordan 4 was born. Now, what makes this silhouette so unique? Well, it's all about the design and, of course, the designer himself, Tinker Hatfield. Hatfield is a sneaker designing legend who put his unique stamp on the Air Jordan line from the 3rd edition onwards. The Air Jordan 4 was the follow-up to his groundbreaking work on the Air Jordan 3. This guy knew how to shake things up and push the boundaries of sneaker design. You see, Hatfield looked at things differently. For the Air Jordan 4, he introduced breathable mesh panels, something that was kind of unheard of at the time. The overmolded mesh found on the shoe's upper was a first, showing Tinker's relentless pursuit of innovation and design excellence. He also introduced the concept of wings, these plastic ankle supports on the sides that gave the shoe a futuristic look. But that's not all. This sneaker was also the first globally released Jordan. The Air Jordan 4 was not just about innovative design, it also represented a massive leap in the brand's marketing strategy. This shoe was the first to be released simultaneously worldwide, breaking down borders and setting a trend that many other brands would later follow. Now, what about collaborations and special editions? Oh, there have been plenty. The Air Jordan 4 has been graced by a series of collabs that have brought new life and creativity to this iconic model. Remember the collaboration Virgil Abloh's Off-White in 2020? Not to mention the super hyped Travis Scott Cactus Jack version. Each iteration brought a new twist, a new story, a new reason to fall in love with the Air Jordan 4 all over again. One of the most coveted Air Jordan 4 special editions? That has to be the Eminem x Carhartt collab from 2015. These kicks were only available via an eBay auction, and the proceeds went to charity. Talk about a sneaker with a heart. And let's not forget where these shoes are crafted. Most of the Air Jordan 4S were manufactured in China, but some special editions, like the 2004 Classic Green, were made in Taiwan. It's a testament to the global nature of the sneaker industry. There's a lot more to say about the Air Jordan 4, but that's all we have time for today. No matter how you look at it, this shoe has earned its place in the Sneaker Hall of Fame, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. I hope you enjoyed this walk through the history of the Air Jordan 4. Don't forget to lace up, hit the like button, and subscribe to FUNKYLACE. And always remember to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future sneaker stories. Until next time, stay funky, sneakerheads.